Greetings, my name is Kisha and I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida down here in zone 11. Yes, 11. And today I am going to be planting some things into this here Greenstalk. I picked up some flowers and some lettuces and I'm going to replant this. What I planted earlier this season, it didn't make it. It was some plants I got clearance rack, and it was right before we went off on vacation to North Carolina for like 2 weeks for Christmas, and I think they got too much water. It rained really hard. They just didn't make it. So we're going to replant this green stalk and maybe part of this green stalk right here. Let's get started.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine warming our soul. In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine warming our souls, feeling peaceful and fine. Love for instance, girl, with the hands in the air. Creating magic and life, showing love in its world. His vibes are gentle embrace, just let your mind unwind. Space where peace grows, leave all your cares behind. As we and be is what we like to give. It's so much ways we don't hold no fear.
Okay, so I potted up that particular green stalk, and now I'm going to go back. I'm going to add some more flowers in these two green stalks. So I also have these flowers that I picked up today. They were on sale. I love my sale flowers. They usually work well when I take care of them right after planting. So I have these, which are Apollo White Cloud Impatiens, and I have this, which is a sun and shade sun patient. These sun patients, I think I'm going to put them on the side of my garden over here to help bring some color to the other side. But when you are planting out your garden, do not forget you have to also plant flowers. Flowers are important for bringing in pollinators to your garden. Plant these up. Just a couple. I have 3. Then I'm going to put 1 in each of my green stalks that I have on this side. I already have put flowers on this side of the garden inside of these beds. As you can see here, they have some really pretty flowers that are growing in them. So I wanted to do the same thing for this side. I had other flowers over here earlier, and underneath the rocks I have on the ground along this path, they didn't make it. I think the ground stays too wet underneath these rocks, and it just did not allow for really good drainage for my flowers to properly drain. So I'm gonna try these flowers instead inside of my green stalks, this time with me being home and watching them. So let me grab my little shovel and figure out if this big plant will even fit inside this green stalk. I think it should. While I was over there, I found this lantana. I'm gonna put this lantana in here as well. So right now I have a lot of onions in here. Let me go ahead and add these flowers to the bottom. They're very wood bound. I'm gonna put this lantana. For me, lantanas are actually annuals. I have, I believe, about 3 lantanas I've had for close to 2 years. They stay green the whole year round, but they don't flower the entire year. So these actually came out to being like almost $1. I'm put one of these over here on this side just to help attract more bees to my garden.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine warming our souls, feeling peaceful and fine. Black woman stands proud with her hands together, creating magic and life, showing love in its world. This life's a gentle embrace, just let your mind unwind. Space where peace grows, leave all your cares behind. Us we and be is up, we right to give.
Okay, so I also have these pentas that I picked up. They were a 6-pack, also on sale. I'm gonna grab one of these. These will get really big here. Again, I think I can make these so-called annuals into perennials here in my garden area. We'll put it back here on the back side on the bottom, and I'll bring you around here and show you where I put them.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers and light. Sunshine warming our souls, feeling peaceful and fine. Black woman stands proud with her hands together.
Okay, so like that, I have put in my flowers. I've already put in my onions in earlier this season. They're doing well. You see all these onions over here are coming right in. Hopefully I get some nice bulbs before our weather changes yet again. Right now it is January 15th. It's the 15th, yes. January 15th, the start of MLK weekend. I have tomatoes out here, and I have my flowers and my onions. So these onions hopefully will bulb as well. Hopefully my flowers continue to bloom and flourish. I will be monitoring them as far as fertilizer and everything, and just hoping that this area and this Greenstalk becomes really nice and pretty over the next season. So far, I love my Greenstalks. I will be putting a code down for Greenstalks for you so you can get a discount on those if you want to pick up some, as well as links to seeds and things for that nature for your own garden. I know it's cold where a lot of you all are. It's actually getting colder here where I am. It was actually 46 this morning. So hopefully you are staying warm. Hopefully you're inspired by my little small garden as well. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.
There's so much waste we don't know to fear.